What's going on, guys? Welcome to Life of P&K. As always, I'm in my garage, always looking to do something exciting for you guys or to review a product. This is it used to be a staple of the channel, but lately I haven't had time to make a lot of videos. There's a lot of things going on in the Life of P&K. Some inside news, so we'll share this coming in the next month or so. But let's not deviate too much from today's video, which is this. And I don't know how well you guys can see it, but probably from the title of the video you already know. It's an actual camera that you can put anywhere in your house. It came from, I'm not sure if I'm saying this name correctly, Leviewlity or something like that. Leviewlity? I'm not sure, so I'm gonna try to not butcher the name as much as possible throughout the video, so I'll just say the camera. But it came from these guys. I think it's a very exciting product. It's sort of like a new product. It's a new brand on the market, so I wanted to give it a try. And I want to give you my true opinion of what I think of this. I opened the box. I wanted to see what's inside. I opened the box. It looks really nice. It looks like a really great product. Very minimalistic, but it does what you need and it does it pretty well. And it has a couple exciting features that I'm going to share with you guys. I was really surprised when I used them. They're pretty cool. If you guys are like me, Kay and I, we purchased the Home not too long ago. I haven't really made any videos about the Home because it's like a normal house, so I don't want to create one of those like videos about the house. But on the outside of the house, we live in a very, very safe neighborhood. No problems there. There is a lot of people that have cameras on their homes, and that's because of many reasons, not just because of crime, but because they want to keep an eye on what's going on around their property. Unfortunately, with the Home, when we purchased it, there's nothing on the back side of the Home, no cameras, nothing like that. And there's a lot more traffic here. You can see it's sort of like a back alley where everyone parks, and there's a lot of traffic. So if you park outside, potential of your car maybe getting swiped or something like that, it's very likely, it's very high. So I've always wanted a camera, so I decided to give these guys a shot. And there's a couple things why I also wanted a camera. There's a couple times where we have the HOA pays for landscaping people to cut the grass, and this is a mess, don't pay attention to it, but to cut the grass around the house, and the house on that side has been hit with a lawnmower, and they also hit our fence. So I'm trying to maybe capture them because we were not home when that happened, but the damage is there, so I had to repair the fence. I had to mend the stucco on the side of the house. It's not ideal, and I want to be able to catch the people that actually do that. You know, it's labor. They don't pay that much attention. They're trying to get through their day to cut the grass and so on. But it would be nice to have proof of that, which I do not. So I had to repair the fence on my own dime. I had to repair the stucco, or I will have to repair the stucco on my own dime as well to seal it again and so on. Without further ado though, I want to show you the product first, so I want to open it up for you, and then I'm thinking I'm going to install it right up there on this corner, so that way it catches the full of the garage, both cars, and also a little bit this side of the fence as well, and the corner where the stop is. I think that would be the best place to put the camera or capture the most, and also show you the future that I really would enjoy at night with this camera. So let's open the box first. So as I said, guys, I opened the box already. And actually, let's not use the car paint. Let's go down here. And inside the box, it's pretty simple. Once you open it, it comes very well packaged, so this is really awesome. It has a user manual. I'll put it right here. It has a template, so this is what I would use to actually apply the screws or drill, like pre-drill the screws. I actually don't think I'll pre-drill the screws. I don't think it will be necessary because I'm using specific screws that would just pre-drill their own hole and won't split the wood. You have a little sticker. I might put that on the garage actually, because it would be cool to you know, give a heads up to the people on like the garage door. You have your little charger. So this camera, it's supposed to last 365 days on one charge throughout the year. So they give you a charge cable, which is awesome. So this is helpful. This is what connects to the wall, and the camera connects from here. You have that. And here are the screws that they sent. So as I said, this camera can be used inside the house. So if you use drywall and stuff like that, you can use these, I forgot what they were called, like, not divots. I forgot the word. Put it down in the comments to remind me with it, but I forgot what this word was in English. But they give you this. So if you want to put it inside the house, this would be great. And then you have the actual camera. And you can look at it, it looks just like that. It has their name, their logo on both sides, and this will connect to this like that. And the future, and see with this blue light, it says it's already charged. So I pre-charged the camera because I wanted to give you guys the full review of also the app as well that you use. But the future that I'm really excited about is these two LED lights actually light up at night, and they actually generate a lot of light. So if they sense a motion, a human, whatnot, they have this. It's really cool. And then another nice feature with this is you can actually talk through the camera. It has a speaker. It was somewhere here. Yeah, it has a speaker down there. You can talk through the camera, or you can set a specific alert when it detects something. You can tell, hey, get out of my yard, or hey, you know, you're being washed, whatever. Or you can talk to the person on the other side. Also, another positive is it's waterproof. So this whole thing is waterproof. So no worries being outside 365 days in the elements. It'll be fine. And it has two things. You can just pop this little cap here for the charging, or you can pop this whole thing, and it's a little bit more difficult because it's waterproof. It's very tightly sealed. So let me try to do it with one hand. I don't think it'll be as easy. Oh, there we go. So here you have an SD card. I just want to say that the SD card does not come with the camera. I had to get my own. So it'll be a nice feature if they actually provide the SD card in a little package with this. And also the charging port. So you get two little things. The SD card would be cool. I believe this goes to the cloud first. So if you want the SD card, you can have it. It's not necessary. But I want to put an SD card in there to capture as much as I can. And again, let's seal it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install this. I'm going to set up everything here. So again, I'm going to install it right up there. So I'm going to set up everything here, bring the tools, and I'll resume the video. Okay guys, it's all set up. I'm going to have to put the camera down to use both my hands, but I'll let you watch. What I have to do is actually, let me show you. I pre-drilled, or not pre-drilled, but I did a little puncture holes here and here and here to have an idea to sort of how to center this or where I want it. So I'm going to install this first, and then I'm going to have to connect the camera to it here, and then we can go into the app, check it out, see what it looks like, and so on. You can already see the blue light is on. It means it's detecting motion, which is pretty cool. So it's recording right now, actually. Let me do this real quick. I'm going to sit you guys somewhere aside to where the sun doesn't shine too much in your face, and let's get to it. A real quick feature I didn't show you at the beginning, but if you want to adjust this, so if you want to put the camera anyway and face it certain ways, you can loosen this and move this around, so you can connect the camera anywhere and then tighten it and it won't move. So it's supposed to be the cooler time in Florida nowadays in November, but with the sun shining here, it's brutal. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So I tried to focus it. Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain too. I tried to focus it as much as possible. This area, you can see it's already capturing me. I don't know how well I can see the blue dot, but it's right there. So it's already capturing me. So it should be, I believe it should capture everything up to here. Then a little bit of this side. Looks pretty good, and this is what it looks like. So let me go inside, grab my phone. I'm going to connect to the camera and try to center it or position it to where it captures most of the garage and some of the door back there. Let's look together and see what the app actually looks like. So guys, we're already inside the house. I decided to be here to show you this because it's getting warm outside. Put these right here, and you can already tell. So I synced the camera before to the home network, whatnot, and you can already see I'm getting notifications that this has been connected. Yeah, you can see by the notifications the camera is coming on and on. So let's open it up, and we have to use this Prodigy Tech, I think it's called. And here's previously when I tried the camera, and also I'll share a video for you guys to see the quality of it. But let's see devices, and let's see what we can see outside. And this is me. It detected a person. But you can tell it's really good. So you can see what I was trying to connect to or capture is the garage door and the back area here where the stop sign is. It looks pretty good. The battery life is 75%. It's transmitting pretty well. And here's a couple things that I mentioned. So you can hear sound, but also you can talk to a person outside by pressing this microphone. You can see it captured me here too. Let's see. When I was installing it. Oh, what a great look. Yeah, this is when I was adjusting it. Wow, the hair is golden here. But yeah, so it's doing the job. All you do in this app, it's pretty simple. You just have to add a new device and go through the motions, set it up, connect it to your Wi-Fi and so on. But then once the device is added, it's done. So if you have more of these cameras, you can keep adding them and then sync them together. So it'd be really cool. Another new feature is I want to step outside to show you that, but you can activate the light on the camera. That's pretty strong, especially at night. It will help you a lot. So let's go outside and take a look at that as well. Hey look guys, you can see me right now. See, I'm walking outside my garage. So I think this is pretty good. It captures a lot of what I need. Right there. So I'm going to leave it as is. But let me show you the lights. So I think if you click on this little feature here, and you have a selection. You have light, alarm. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult to do it like this. But if you click on this corner here, you can select the light, the alarm, and the light and alarm. So let's do the light first because I want to show you that. So the light's on right now, and you can see. And they're pretty bright, especially at night. And guys, here's the light. See, it's pretty bright. So I just wanted to show you like a quick view of that and what happens. But that's what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? And then if we get back here, we can turn it off for now. It's a little bit harder to use, but it's off now. And then I believe if you go in the settings, you can do a bunch of different settings. You can turn off the camera. General settings just show you about the device and where it's connected. The video settings, you can set it up. It has night vision, so it's pretty cool. That activates as well. You can rotate the camera, you can do a flicker adjustment, you can mirror the camera if you want to. The audio settings, this is just like a speaker volume, so you can put it up here or down, depending how loud it is for you. The detection mode, it shows you what detection target it has, person, moving object, so on. Detection area, so right now it's capturing this, which I think is great. The sensitivity, I actually might set it up to, no, medium I think is fine because I want to capture the backside of the area. The alert, so it can be a push message, it can be a siren, and record the video if you want to. The video duration, I want to set it up to, let's say, 24 seconds will be ideal. The recording interval is there. The siren, this happens after the camera is triggered, so you can have it a couple ways. You can have it just the light, just the siren plus the light. It doesn't matter. So the voice, it's up to you how you set it up. I like the light only. I don't need the camera to scream at people. But you can select specific voice context. So get out of my house or call the police. Please put down your package. Please put down my package, or please don't run on my lawn. So you can select whatever you want to do. I'm going to leave it this, but I'm not going to use the siren. No point, really, to be honest, to shock people in the middle of the night when they're walking their dogs and stuff like that, especially back here. And then a detection plan, at home, away from home, it just depends how you want to set it up. You can have different detection plans in place. So I think overall, the camera looks pretty well. That's the base of the camera. These guys, I don't want to butcher their name, they did a good job. That's all you need. You know, good quality, good capture, good activation when it detects a motion. With a light, which at night would be phenomenal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very simple, nothing much to do with cars or our life. Well, actually it has a little bit to do with our life because there's a lot of things happening. We're gonna have a lot of different content coming up, not just cars right now. It's a good time in our life. You guys will understand why I've been sort of missing from YouTube as well. But I wanted to have this video done real quick for you guys to see if you're looking to even protect your car, your garage and whatnot, because you know, people are out there, things happen, accidents happen. Anything can happen. It's good to have a camera like this. and to, you know, help you protect your house a little bit. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a comment or a like, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.